I am Aditya Saibani. I completed my 2-year diploma in interior design from Arch Academy in 2017. My journey with Arch has really been beautiful. It's a place where I discovered myself. I got to be a part of memorable experiences and I got one-of-a-kind opportunities which I don't think I would have found anywhere else. I established my firm Adisa Creations in the year 2017. We have been around for 5 years. We provide state-of-the-art interior design services for residential and commercial spaces, keeping in mind our clients' taste and preferences. We wake up every day to find a better way of getting the aesthetics of design that represent our client and their lifestyle.
Hi, this is Rashmi Malu. I have done 4-year interior designing course from Arch Academy. I was passed out in the year 2018. The undergrad course has been pivotal in my journey so far. It provided me the necessary technical and practical skills to transform my vision and imagination into a systematic and comprehensive learning. After my graduation, I got a chance to have a professional experience with Narsee Associates, a firm based out in Mumbai. It gained me a lot of practical insights in running a design firm. So the hand-in experience laid out the foundation and gave me the confidence to start up my own entrepreneurial firm. I founded HunkyDory in 2021 and there was no looking back after then. And it was obviously a very challenging but a very beautiful journey so far. It couldn't be possible without Arch and their faculty, so big thanks to them.
Hi, my name is Vivek. I'm from Arch 2017 batch Interior Design, and it's a very great experience with Arch. Right now I'm doing an assistant art director and production design in Indian Bollywood films, and also working in feature films, ad shoots, and also as a photographer. I have my own studio. We're doing an e-commerce photography, fashion photography, and all types of photography we are doing in Arch.
Hello, I'm Chandni Sharma, founder and principal designer at Surgeon Interiors. I've passed Arch in year 2009 and worked with Sthapatya Architects Jaipur and News Architects Bangalore. I established my own firm in year 2016 and have been working on various residential, commercial, hospitality and institutional projects.
Hi, myself Apur Saxena and I'm a wedding designer. I have my own company named Euros Wedding Design Company where I do a lot of designing stuff for especially for weddings, corporates, exhibitions, etc. I did my interior designing in Arch and I was born as a designer in this family where I had an opportunity to showcase myself in every era.